Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ram Dhamija. Welcome to my channel. Today is 26th of June, the last day of this particular expiry. And today was Nifty and Banknifty expiry both. And at the same time, there were new all-time highs that were made. Banknifty made it yet another all-time high, crossing 57,100 now. And Nifty broke the 25,500 mark today, which was last seen in October of 2024. So it's now just a formality, kind of a thing that Nifty is going to break its all-time high. And I've been saying that for quite some time, that Nifty was just not willing to go down. It did not go down during India-Pakistan conflict. It did not go down during Iran-Israel conflict. And the bottoms that were made that day held even after the news flow actually became bad. So Iran-Israel conflict, even when US entered the conflict, Nifty did not break 24,500. In fact, 24,800, 900 was where it stopped. And then it has been consolidating in this 25,000 range for almost a month and a half now. And today was a clear breakout, and I will show you what the charts are indicating and how this breakout is playing. But it has been a fantastic day for all the portfolio people who have the portfolio and who have been investing regularly without fear, buying on dips, investing through SIPs, through mutual funds in a very disciplined, dedicated way would be rewarding the benefits. And for my viewers, if anyone is interested, I help people build their mutual fund portfolios. I'm a registered mutual fund distributor. I'm AMFI registered and NISM certified. And if anyone wants to build their strong, robust mutual fund portfolio, they can contact me through the Google form, which is there in the description box. So now let us look at how the markets were today, and it's been a good day. So let us dive straight in. This is the chart for Nifty. Now you can see over here that we opened somewhere over here today, which was absolutely a flat close opening at 25,200. We went up to 25,400. All the calls were taken out, and then we came down almost to similar levels. All the puts were taken out, and then came the real move. This was the real move that was anticipated the whole day. And from here, look at this, from 25,200 to 25,565. We'll be closing at the high point of the day, and with another, I think, 5 minutes to go. It's been a superb, excellent day for the markets. And this chart is more important. If you look at this over here, clear breakout. This is what I was saying for so many days. This is where the band that we were stuck in, 24,500 to 25,200. This is the band that we were playing around, and this is a clear indication of how cleanly it has broken out. Now from here, what is the next one? 26,200. That's the all-time high. Once we take that out, then it's clear blue skies. It can go anywhere. So this is good day for the markets. If you look at Bank Nifty, yet another all-time high. This was the last high, 57,000. We broke that today, and we are making 57,210 as we speak. So that's another beautiful chart. Bank Nifty has been much more stronger than Nifty, that we have seen all throughout. And that is why, when Nifty was correcting a lot, Bank Nifty never touched the lows. Even on April 7th, you can see Bank Nifty never came anywhere near its lows also, whereas Nifty actually made a low on April the 7th, the tariff day. And from there, look at the recovery. It's just been gap up, and it, straight went to 56,000, consolidated a bit, and it's ready for a fresh breakout. Made a fresh all-time high 2-3 times in between, and that shows the strength of an index. Rest all is noise. But for option sellers, let's see how the day was. Day was very tough for option sellers. It was spiking both ways. First spiked on the call side, then spiked on the put side. If you look at, this is the chart for the straddle. Straddle opened at somewhere around 100, and it actually opened at 100. You're seeing a 15-minute chart, that's why showing 132. So that means within the first 15 minutes it actually went to 132, and then by 10:30 it went to 150. And even, you look at this, at even till 1 o'clock it was trading at 134. That means it was trading 30 points higher than where it opened, even till 1 o'clock. So that was the misery that all the option sellers went through today. And from there it just became, along with a delta move, you can see the option premium also kept on going down. But these kind of moves cannot be played by option selling. These kind of moves have to be played by option buying. So in your system, there has to be a option buying element if you have to tackle such days. In my system, there was a limited option buying, so that kind of cushioned the loss, but otherwise it was a red day. But I think it'll get more than compensated with the portfolio gain that is there. So it's very important to have a robust portfolio as well. Now let us look at this. This is basically showing how much is each index down from its top. Private Bank, Nifty Bank, Fin Nifty are all making new all-time highs. Mid cap is just minus 1.9% down, which it will take out any day. Nifty is just now less than 3%, minus 2.8% down from all-time high. Then Nifty 500 is minus 4, small cap is minus 6, and Nifty next is minus 12, and auto index minus 13, FMCG is minus 17, now Nifty Alpha minus 15, and momentum is minus 17, media is minus 20. So this is how the chart looks like. Slowly but steadily, once we start making new highs, all these will break their all-time highs as well. Which were the sectors that were leading today? So metals was leading today, 2.24% up. Infrastructure, financial services, no surprise in this one. Public sector, enterprise, Nifty 50, banks. So these were the leading ones, and media was slightly down. IT has been a laggard all this while. So IT was down, slightly down, and pharma was flat. So these are very defensive sectors, and they are down. So what are the international cues now telling us? Let's look at the international cues. US 30-year is absolutely fine at 4.83. S&P VIX, look at that. That's come down to 16 now. It was trading at 20, 25. Then during the wartime, it had gone up to between 25 to 30. Now it's come to 16. So that's indicating US markets are also nearing the all-time highs, or I think Nasdaq has already made its all-time high, if I'm not wrong, or will do today. And everything is looking very nice, if you ask me right now. And why is that? That is also because there is a potential of rate cuts in US that is being talked about. So once the rate cuts come in, then the stocks will fly. Let's look at the other thing. Nasdaq was up yesterday. Nasdaq futures as we speak are up, so 0.4. In fact, US futures are all up. US 30, US 500, US tech, US small cap, all are up anywhere between 0.15 to 0.4%. Bitcoin is up at 107. US dollar index at 97. So it's broken 98. Now it's at 97, which is good news for us, because the lower this index goes, the higher the outflow of dollar from US into emerging markets. That has been seen. Brent is at 66. It's completely cooled off from 70, 78 levels, which was seen during the Israel-Iran conflict. The USD INR is 85.7, absolutely fine. And gold is at 33.40. Silver is at 36.6. So silver is breaking out clearly, and that is something which is very interesting. Also, what is the news flow right now? The news flow right now is that futures edge higher. Trump on possible Powell replacement. So there is a talk that there could be a replacement of the Fed chair, and if that happens, then certainly rates are going to get cut, and that will mean very good thing for the world markets. Though there might be some knee-jerk reaction, etc., also from the market. But frankly, now all of that doesn't matter. When the rates start getting cut in US, there's a liquidity gush that is so high that nothing can stand in front of it. And equity prices is just a reflection of that liquidity which is happening right now. FIIs are buying, DIIs are buying, or FIIs rather have stopped selling, and DIIs are buying like crazy. So the market is going up. There is no other way for the market to go except one way, which is up. So having said that, it's been a great day. It's been a fantastic day. We have broken out of the range after, I don't know, such a long time. And the portfolios are looking good. If you have good stuff in your portfolio, then the portfolio should look good right now. If you have suspect names in your portfolio, then you need to be careful. Hence, for a retail investor, it makes sense to invest in mutual funds. There's so many mutual funds that one can look at. You can construct the portfolio in the way you like. If you want to add small caps, you can do that. If you want to add quality names, you can do that. There are mutual funds for that. If you want to add momentum names, there are mutual funds for that. So why bother about individual stocks? You can have limited amount of individual stocks, but majority, if you don't have time for research and following the news flow, then it's better to invest in mutual funds. And as I said, if anyone is interested, please click the Google form below. Please fill the Google form below, and I shall get in touch with you, and we can construct a good mutual fund portfolio for you. So that's it from me now. Good day for the portfolio, not so good day for option selling. Actually, a very, very bad day for option selling. So it's okay. You need to then, in fact, for option selling, this entire quarter has been very, very rough, I would say, because the kind of price movements that have been happening are very, very wild for the option premiums that are there. It's been tough, and it forces the option sellers to go back into the thinking mode, into the planning mode, and see where the small edges are and how to navigate those edges. Those are some strategy things that option sellers will have to get back to thinking. For me also, the quarter has not been all that great after a very good last year. But the only thing that I can say is that May was better than April and June was better than May. So that is the only thing that one can take comfort from. But otherwise, it's been a very, very rough ride, and I'm also constantly on the drawing board to see where that small edge can come out in option selling, because as I have said before that I've been a consistently profitable option seller for the last 5 years, and my profits are pretty good and robust. So to maintain that profit percentage, you have to constantly keep on working on your systems. So let's see how things pan out, and what are the changes that I would be making in my option selling. So that's it from me now. And if you like the content, please do subscribe to the channel. Please like, share with your friends, family. And I shall see you soon with another update. And congratulations to all the people who have been invested in the markets. Today was a great day, and you will see the reward in your portfolio. So take care. Bye bye.